Welcome! Today, we will compare two popular smartphones, the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, released in January 2025, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, released in September 2024. Both phones have new features and strong performance, but each one is special in its own way. We will look at their cameras, battery life, screen quality, and more to help you decide which phone is best for you. If you want to check the latest prices, you can find Amazon links in the description below. Let's get started and see what makes these phones unique. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE both have strong glass fronts that protect the screen, but their backs differ. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G uses either a plastic or soft eco-leather back, making it lighter and possibly easier to hold, weighing 190 grams. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 FE has a glass back with an aluminium frame, giving it a more premium feel but also making it heavier at 213 grams. The Redmi is slightly taller and narrower, measuring 162.3 by 74.4 millimeters, while the Galaxy is a bit shorter and wider at 162 by 77.3 millimeters. Both phones are slim and water-resistant, but the Redmi likely feels lighter and more comfortable in the hand. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a higher resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, offering a sharper pixel density of approximately 446 ppi compared to the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE's 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen at 1080 by 2340 pixels and around 385 ppi. Both phones support a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ for vibrant visuals. But the Redmi's display supports Dolby Vision and boasts a significantly higher peak brightness of 3000 nits, enhancing visibility in bright conditions. The Galaxy S24 FE offers a slightly larger screen area with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio versus Redmi's 20:9. And it uses Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for protection, while Redmi uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Overall, Redmi's display is sharper and brighter, while Samsung provides a premium dynamic AMOLED panel with robust protection. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G and Samsung Galaxy S24 FE both run Android 14, but differ in upgrade support and user interface, with the Redmi offering up to 3 major Android upgrades via HyperOS, while the Samsung promises 7 through One UI 6.1. In terms of chipset, the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra, featuring an octa-core CPU with 4 Cortex-A78 cores clocked at 2.5 GHz and 4 Cortex-A55 cores at 2.0 GHz, paired with a Mali G615 NC2 GPU. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 FE uses the Exynos 2400E chipset, boasting a more complex 10-core CPU configuration with a peak single-core speed of 3.1 GHz and the Xclipse 940 GPU, generally offering superior performance and efficiency. Overall, the Galaxy S24 FE provides a more powerful platform with longer software support. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE both do not support memory card expansion, relying solely on internal storage. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G offers 3 configurations: 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 512GB storage, utilizing UFS 2.2 technology for faster data transfer. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE provides 3 options as well, but all with 8GB RAM paired with 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB of internal storage. While the Galaxy S24 FE maintains a consistent RAM size across its variants, the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G stands out by offering higher RAM options, up to 12 GB, which may enhance multitasking and performance. Both devices cover a wide range of storage capacities, but the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G offers more flexibility in memory configurations. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G features a 200-megapixel main wide camera with a large 1/1/4-inch sensor, f1.7 aperture, and both OIS and multi-directional PDAF, prioritizing high-resolution images and low-light performance. It pairs this with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel macro lens, supporting 4K video at up to 30 frames per second with gyro EIS and OIS stabilization. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers a 50-megapixel main sensor with a slightly smaller 1/157-inch size, f1.8 aperture, dual-pixel PDAF, and OIS, emphasizing balanced image quality. It includes an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. The Galaxy S24 FE supports higher video capabilities, including 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K up to 120 frames per second, making it better for versatile photography and advanced videography. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G features a 20-megapixel front camera with an f2.2 aperture, a 25mm wide lens, and smaller 0.7 micrometer pixels, supporting HDR and panorama modes. It records video at up to 1080p with 30 or 60 FPS. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has a 10-megapixel selfie camera with a narrower f2.4 aperture, a slightly wider 26mm lens, and larger 1.22 micrometer pixels, which typically enhances low-light performance. Notably, the Galaxy S24 FE supports higher resolution video recording at 4K up to 60 FPS, along with gyro EIS for stabilized footage, offering superior video capabilities compared to the Redmi. While the Redmi provides higher megapixels and additional photo features, the Galaxy S24 FE excels in video quality and stabilization, making it more versatile for selfie video recording. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is equipped with a larger 5110 mAh battery compared to the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE's 4700 mAh capacity, potentially offering longer usage on a single charge. In terms of charging speed, the Redmi supports 45 watts wired charging with power delivery (PD), enabling faster replenishment of the battery. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 FE supports 25 watts wired charging with PD and Quick Charge 2 (QC2), capable of reaching 50% charge in 30 minutes, which provides a reliable fast charging experience. Additionally, the Samsung device offers 15 watts wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, features not available on the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. Overall, the Redmi provides a bigger battery and faster wired charging, while the Samsung excels with wireless and reverse wireless charging capabilities. Both the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offer strong features for their price. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G stands out with its great camera setup and fast charging, making it ideal for photography lovers and heavy users. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 FE shines with a smooth display and reliable performance, perfect for those who want a balanced and user-friendly phone. Ultimately, your choice should depend on what matters most to you. Don't forget to check the latest prices through the Amazon links in the description below.